Jaubari, a village nestled in the impressive landscape of Elam in eastern Nepal. It is uniquely located near the Nepal-India border and is a place of incredible natural beauty, with rolling hills and dense surrounding forests which are home to a diverse range of wildlife, including the adorable yet endangered red pandas. The village is also a primary site of Red Panda Network's restoration work, Plant A Red Panda Home. The extensive Jaubari area has approximately 630 hectares of degraded land that requires restoration. The restored area will create a forest corridor that connects community forest in Nepal with Singalila National Park in India. Red Panda Networks plant seedlings, install fences to protect newly planted seedlings, construct waterholes, support forest conservation nurseries, and enhance the local economy through green jobs. However, this idyllic setting faces a growing challenge of plastic and bottle pollution. Like many other parts of Nepal, this village has been impacted by the increasing use and improper disposal of plastic waste. By focusing Red Panda Network's effort here, the aim is to restore the red panda habitat and address the pressing issue of waste management. Red Panda Networks believe in the power of community-led initiative. So, with collaboration with the local people of Jaubari, a waste management committee was formed to implement activities that will help to reduce and manage the waste. A waste management training was also conducted for the villagers to learn about the type of waste they produce and ways to handle them. Together, the Waste Management Committee conducted a cleanup campaign where one individual from each household participated, and later they were provided with waste bins to implement their waste segregation learning from the training. The locals are trying to turn the tide on plastic pollution while helping to build the home of the red pandas. More work needs to be done to find a solution. So, the efforts continue to empower the community to take action for the proper disposal of the waste. Join hands with the Red Panda Network and the village of Jaubari as they continue the mission to protect the red pandas and create a cleaner, a greener world for generations to come.